Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to convert Canva to Google Slides. Now, if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, open your design. Okay, just go over here on top right corner and click on share. Now here, click on download. Just click on this drop down arrow and select here PPTX. Now here, choose your slides and just click on download. It will take a few moments. Okay, it is downloaded. Now let's go on Google Sites. Here, click on File, as you can see on top left corner, and click on Open. Go over to Upload and just click on Browse. So there's this file, black and yellow gradient modern gaming. Now as you can see, the file is uploaded, and so that's it for the video. That's how you can convert Canva to Google Slides. Thanks for watching.